In this video we can see that given ID record already exists in employee table or not. So let's see, in a table we have 4 record already. So we have 502, we can take a 502 ID and check out key already that is exist or not in our database via JP record. So first of all, in employee service I implement one boolean, okay, employee and just example long ID. Employee repository exists by ID. So internally we see that it returns only boolean value. Exist. Now if it's true, then we can get data. Otherwise we can empty DTO return because of not throw any error. That's why here we catch employee service test example ID and convert in employee response, employee assembler to employee, and it returns employee response. Now what we do here, catch ID and test example, here say exists by ID. Yeah, its function returns only true and false and internally checks its ID record already have or not in employee table. So if already exists, then return employee records, and otherwise is blank DTO. Blank DTO because of we are not any error. And let's we check. We can here 502. Yeah, 502 already exists in our system, so it returns. And we set another, not already internal server throw. Reason behind the reason is that we are not throw any exception here, so that's why it's return internal server error. So we again say 502 first is return for true here, and now we can print here system record is exist. We can restart the application and we can test again and test out in log. First of all we clear here and again now see get parameter is exist, okay, and we can change the value, so it show internal error because of we are not handle. No, it's another. We can no, it's fine. So it's null values here, and we get throw 502, then it's return value. So that's it. Here console we can trace here, and here exist full when fire with 5025. That's it. These functions only check out in internally already data exists or not.